Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new workflow in your Smartsheet account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the sheet, and after opening the sheet, we have to go to the automation. And after the automation, you will be able to see the create workflow from template. So we need to click on the this, and after that, as you can see, now we have to choose that which type of you want. For example, I want to move a row to another sheet when specified criteria are met. So let's click on this, and as you can see, has the option for the use template. So we have to click on the use template, and now you need to provide the title for your workflow. For example, I'm going to write the title here, like the connection, and then let's hit the save. And after clicking on save, as you can see, now we have to choose the sheet. For example, I'm going to search for the sheet. Let's search for that. As you can see, there's a no sheet. As you can see, I'm going to click on this, and we can change this section here, and let's click on the save. As you can see, for this what we need to do, simply we have to choose the sheet here. We have to click on the select, and now here you will be able to see all sheets here, and you have to select that here, and after that your rows will be moved to that sheet. So in this way you can create a workflow, and you just have to hit the save, and after clicking on save, that will be saved. So in this way you can create a new workflow on your Smartsheet account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.